What is happening right now? Sam, you're being such a hyper boy right now. What is happening right now? What is this? Oh my goodness. So last night, you guys missed it. He passed out on the floor and just fell out. Let me see if I still have it in my phone. Show you guys him still asleep. Hopefully it hasn't left yet. I don't think it has though. I think it's still on my stories. It's hilarious.
Mommy said go to bed.
Okay, hold on.
You're super duper hungry?
Yeah.
What are you trying to eat, kid?
What do you want to eat, Sam? No. No. No.
You don't even like mustard. When your nephew passes out while getting a diaper change. 2 seconds ago he was hungry. What happened?
Uh-oh, let's go see. Let's go see who's at the door. Let's go see who's at the door.
Somebody came to the door. We gotta see what they left, okay? Can you open it for me?
Calm down, Jockey.
Calm down, Chucky. Calm down.
Open it. What is that? What is it? Let me see it.
Oh my goodness.
What is it? Don't open it. Let me see. What is? Oh, it says it's to you. Come on, let's come take a look.
Wait, open it?
Yeah, come here. Hold on, let's look at this real quick. So we have, it says Samuel. It's that time of year to watch the Easter Bunny show. Please plant these magic jelly beans and tomorrow morning you will see how the magic has grown.
Yeah.
Happy Easter, love the Easter Bunny. So these are magic. We don't eat these. We have to plant them and see what's grown tomorrow. Are you so excited?
Yeah, we'll open them.
Yeah, we have to open them. So in 2 minutes, we got to wash your hands and put your shoes on. And then we're going to go plant these to see what grows.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You put your shoes on, Mommy. Put on your shoes on.
Yeah. Where's your shoes, buddy?
I don't know. My shoes showing right here.
Okay, let's get your shoes.
Okay, we'll put his shoes on.
Oh, you're climbing in Titi's suitcase, huh?
That's not
Oh, in Titi's bra.
These will work. Here we go. Put the boots on, baby.
Okay. It's Mommy.
Oh, got your rain boots? Oh, Titi has rain boots too.
Uh-oh.
You want Titi to wear hers?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put mine on too.
Mommy put on her boots on.
Okay.
No, Mommy has sandals.
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy can wear sandals.
Mommy wear boots. Mommy, you wear boots. Right now.
Go get you some water. How about we go in your bathroom? You want to do it that way?
Yeah. I got water now.
Okay, you got enough? Don't pour it out. No. Here, let's fill it. All right. Uh-oh. Okay, come on. You got it.
Uh-oh, it does first. Mommy, I got water.
You do? You got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you show me right here where you'd like to plant them?
Right there.
Where's right there, honey? You show me.
Pins are right there.
No, plant them right here. You have to plant them. Take them.
You got to plant them in the dirt so they grow.
Pin them right there.
Where else would you like to put them?
Pin them right there.
Over there?
Oh, okay. In the corner.
Okay, how about why don't we keep the rest of them over here by these ones, okay? Come on. Yeah, bring it over here. Come on, let's keep them over here. Put some over here. Oh, okay. You just want to put them all right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. You got to cover them up so you can't see them. Are they covered?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. Now water them. Make sure you water them good.
Oh my gosh, if this isn't the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Okay? Say see you tomorrow, jelly beans. Oh, it's very full.
Yeah.
Do you want to add any other colors?
Uh-huh.
What other color would you like to do? Would you like to do green?
Yeah.
Okay, hold
I
on.
do it. I do it, Mommy.
Let's leave this one in there, okay? Okay, baby. Put it on there.
I do it. It's on
Come on,
my
honey.
head.
Okay, if you drop it, it's gonna break. You got it? It doesn't. There we go. So now we're gonna let it sit for a minute, okay?
Okay.
You ready to take this one out?
Yeah.
Let's see what color it is. Ooh, look how cool, bub.
It's blue.
It's blue. That's right.
I see what this is.
Well, you gotta let this one sit. You ready to take this one out?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the green one. All right, we're done. And you dyed your eggs. Say thanks, Titi. Say thanks, Titi.
You're welcome, buddy.
Now what the other one?
No, you don't dye those ones. You just have stickers on them. Say, all right, time to watch Little Rascals.
I want to my story.
Oh no.
Ends out. Nice, Will. Send it to.
You really watch it. You gotta turn around, bud. You can't see it.
Send it to my YouTube. Or no.
Girls have no
Tell them,
sense of
Sam.
direction.
Race, race.
Thanks. Listen.
Grab the wheel! Are you crazy or something? We got...
All right, we'll focus on him first. No, you're gonna sit in your own spot because you need all the room.
Mama's so sweet.
Okay, come here. Let's open it. You gotta untie it. What's in there? What's in there?
Oh my gosh, why are you so cute?
You got dinosaurs and fishies and 2 monster trucks?
Yeah. What? And toys.
Yeah,
They're
that's
so
so
cute.
cool.
And dinosaurs.
And look, there's dolphins in here.
Yeah.
Whoa, so cool, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put this right here. Let's keep opening. What else did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Yes.
What are those?
That peep.
Yeah, peeps.
Open
No. Going. Oh my gosh, what is that?
That's what you got.
Yeah, monster truck.
This.
Oh my gosh, the Easter Bunny left you Skittles that you're not opening till after breakfast.
Okay.
What else? Nope. What else?
This.
What's in it? Is there something in it?
Yeah.
Chalky
Oh my
move.
gosh, it's a seahorse. That's so cool.
It's in there.
What else? What is that?
That's a trap.
It's a crab. What's in this one? Oh my gosh, he bought you a tractor?
Yeah.
What? Easter Bunny's the coolest. Here, there's more. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh, chocolate?
Yeah, we'll open these.
Yeah, not yet. You gotta eat them after breakfast.
What? That's Teddy.
Yeah, he got you a sucker.
Yeah.
He knows you like suckers. Oh my gosh, it's a bubble blower.
We'll open it.
Yeah, we can open that after breakfast too, because we'll take it
Yeah.
outside. What's that?
That's chocolate.
Yeah, but it's a tractor.
It's chocolate. Chocolate.
That's right.
Something in there.
And you got your first game of Jenga.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, baby Jenga. It's happening. What else is in here, baby?
This.
What is that? It's a blue Easter bunny. Oh my gosh, you're sure lucky.
There's something in there.
There's more? What else? Oh my gosh, there is more stuff in here.
Oh, look what grew where the jelly beans were planted. How cute. Look what grew. I guess he's already seen them. Yeah, if he wanted to go straight up.
Do you see any more over here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Dang.
You got a
Okay.
lot.
You got a lot. Go on.
Buddy, look.
What's up?
Did you look over here, Boo? Sam, did you look over here?
There were eggs right here.
Mm-hmm.
Egg.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
there's more.
Okay. That's awesome. Perfect.
Pick them up.
There's tons everywhere, Kira.
That
We're all in there.
one more.
Let her find them, honey. She can do it.
I
Wow.
have one more right here, Kira.
Let her find them, Sam.
I have one more right here.
Sam, you are Yeah. I got a lot. This is TT. She's opening her basket. What'd you get?
Some Fenty Beauty foundation.
Nice. Number 380, which I know. In case anyone else needs to do that again. Corey.
Oh. Oh, how cool. Why do I appreciate the chocolate cross?
Because you're Jesus' grandchild.
The tail right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, buddy.
What else did you get?
Pull it out.
You got a double insulated cup?
The tail
Super
right
exciting.
there.
Yeah, baby.
I will take this with me to Florida and leave this at my other house. Oh, another Sephora bag. What could be in here?
Let's put the receipt out. The Easter Bunny left a receipt in there.
Ooh, some beauty blender cleaner. Can you move out of the way, buddy? Thank you. We're filming.
And another Fenty.
Another Fenty Beauty foundation.
You can never have too many, especially when you're sold out where you live. Easter Bunny knows you well.
So sweet. Ooh, look. Hair extensions conditioner. What is he doing? And we've got some hair extension shampoo.
That's the good stuff.
How cool. Ooh, orange dream. Let's smell it.
Smells good.
It really does, though.
Please.
What is with me and...
I don't know, but you did that yesterday at the store.
Did you get that on camera?
You sure did. What does that look like, Ashley?
Thank you, Mommy.
I got the wipes on standby.
Uh-oh, I got some on my leg. And a book to be Harriet the Spy with.
This is true, but I wrote in it on the
Aw,
first page.
How sweet. So I'm not going to read that out loud.
No,
'cause I
don't
wanna
read
cry
that out
right
loud.
now. I don't want to cry right now, so we're just going to... I'll read that when I get home or later.
A what to eat. This is a specific
How
for
cool is this?
a PCOS diet.
Mommy, I have burgers.
Really?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
How cool. That's exciting.
Because we pay attention to certain stuff. We need to make sure you're healthy and happy.
Oh, Chipotle is on here.
Yeah,
That's Arby's? Really? What do they tell you what you can eat at these places?
pretty much.
That is so cool. Panera Bread, Domino's.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Wendy's.
Tells you the things that you're allowed to eat when you have PCOS. So the
That's
Easter Bunny,
really
not
cool.
I, looked up a good book that would be a guideline for an on-the-go person if you had no choice but to eat fast food in some occasions, and what would be safe for you.
What's funny is the only thing I eat off of here is Chipotle and Panera. but
there's a
now I know
guide
I
for
have
it all.
options.
Mm-hmm.
So cool.
What else did you get in here?
A bunch of candy.
Now and laters? Mmm, those are bomb. Raspberry.
My favorite. These are Titi's favorite candy.
Yeah.
Airheads too. Titi loves these.
That's
Here, look, TT's gonna give you this one because it's disgusting.
Oh, look, there's some inside the eggs too.
Yeah.
Those are mine. Get out of here. You got your own. Hi guys. So here's my Easter fit. So my glasses are from Retro City. Yes, I'm in my nephew's bathroom and his bedroom. And I'm wearing a floral suit. Wait, let me see if you guys can see this. So, wearing a floral suit from Target. So, I just took all my makeup off. Just with like a makeup wipe. And braided my hair. I usually braid my hair before I go to bed. Just so it'll be like wavy when I wake up. And like I'll curl it one day. Which I curled it earlier. And then I braid it before I go to sleep so it can still have those same waves. I'm exhausted, you guys. Look at my eyes. I'm so tired. So tired. So I will see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow's my official last day, like full day. So then we drive back to LA so I can go to Miami. I will catch you guys on the flip side.